Hello, students. Look around you. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the chair you sit on, and your body are all made of matter. But what exactly is matter? Why does ice melt? How does water become steam? In this chapter, we will learn everything about matter in our surroundings in a simple and easy way. Let's begin. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Examples include water, a book, air, and a chair. Everything around us is matter. Scientists discovered that matter is made up of very tiny particles. Particles have space between them. Take a glass of water and add sugar. The sugar disappears. The sugar disappears because sugar particles occupy spaces between water particles. Particles are continuously moving. The smell of perfume spreads throughout a room because particles are moving. Particles attract each other. Try breaking a piece of chalk. It takes force because particles attract one another. Matter exists in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed shape and fixed volume. In solids, particles have strong attraction and stay closely packed. Liquids have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of their container. Gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. In gases, particles move freely and occupy available space. Matter can change from one state to another. When heated, ice melts into water. This process is called melting. Further heating converts water into steam. This process is called vaporization. Cooling steam changes it back into water. This is called condensation. Cooling water changes it into ice. This is called freezing. When temperature increases, particles gain energy and move faster. As particles move faster, matter can change its state. Ice remains at 0 degrees Celsius while it melts because heat is used to change state rather than increase temperature. This hidden heat is called latent heat. Evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into vapor at any temperature. Drying clothes is an everyday example of evaporation. Drying puddles on a sidewalk shows evaporation in action. Sweat evaporating from skin is another familiar example. Factors affecting evaporation include surface area. Temperature influences evaporation rate. Wind speed also affects how quickly evaporation occurs. Humidity plays a role by slowing evaporation when the air is already moist. High temperature means faster evaporation. When sweat evaporates from our skin, it absorbs heat from the body. This removal of heat makes us feel cool and helps regulate body temperature. Let's revise. Matter has mass and occupies space. Matter is made of tiny particles. Particles have spaces between them. Particles are moving continuously. Particles attract each other. States of matter include solid, liquid, and gas. Change of state includes melting, freezing, condensation, and vaporization. Evaporation causes cooling. Matter is everywhere around us. Understanding matter helps explain everyday phenomena such as melting ice, boiling water, and drying clothes. Master this chapter and your foundation for chemistry will become very strong. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Class 9 Science chapter.